46. I like the American theme you got going there.
Thank you. Appreciate it. This product was sent to me from a brand to do an honest review, and I may earn commissions on this video. This is Thinkware's dash cam. So this is what it looks like. Really cool, sleek design. You have your power button right on here. TF card goes right in here, which they supply. And that's going to be a 32 gigabyte memory card. Make sure you peel off all the plastic around all the lenses. Connectors are going to be on the top here, GPS. They provide you with everything that you need for setup, for mounting. Here's your GPS, and again, your GPS just plugs right into your GPS. Normally you put this somewhere on your dashboard. You have all the mounting brackets. You have your rear camera as well. So this you can mount on the rear, on the side, pretty much anywhere you want. And they give you plenty of cable for mounting and your power supply.
There we go.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
I did put two sugars in your coffee, and I got two guys here.
Okay, I appreciate that.
Have yourself an amazing day, okay?
Thank you, you too. Thanks.